Oke, selamat malam teman-teman. Malam ini kita akan membahas stating preferences. Jadi, preference adalah ungkapan atau pilihan yang kita berikan terhadap suatu hal yang kita lebih suka dibandingkan hal yang lain. Nah, yang lebih kita suka ini tuh bisa benda, bisa kegiatan, bisa orang. Ada beberapa ungkapan nih. Yang pertama ada would rather. Formulanya ada 3. Yang pertama, would rather ketemu bare infinitive. Nah, bare infinitive itu kata kerja yang paling dasar, kayak gitu, tanpa es, tanpa s, tanpa verb ing, kayak gitu. Contohnya, I would rather go now. Nah, siapapun subjeknya nanti mau misalnya she would rather go now. Bukan she would rather goes now, tapi go. Tetap ketemu verb satu yang belum diapa-apakan. Yang kedua, would rather ketemu bare infinitives, ketemu dan, pakai bare infinitive lagi. Misalnya, Lami would rather live than wait too long. Si Lami lebih milih pergi daripada menunggu terlalu lama. Yang terakhir, would rather bare infinitive, noun, dan bare infinitives plus noun. Misalnya, you'd rather speak English than speak French. Oke, coba Kak Cynthia buat contoh salah satunya. Lebih pilih apa dibanding apa?
I would rather read a romance novel than a newspaper.
Oke, then read a newspaper ya.
Ya, then read a newspaper.
Oke, soalnya di rumusnya ketemu sama verb lagi. Oke, good.
Oke.
Coba next. Dinda.
I would rather eat noodle than bakso.
Oke. Would rather noodle than bakso. Kalau bakso apa? Meat?
Meatballs.
Oke. Good. Next. Dini.
I would rather comic books than novel book.
Oke. Next. Kak Resti. Kak Resti? Kak Resti, halo? Oke, misalnya nih.
Ya, halo.
Oke, boleh dibuatkan contohnya
Iya,
would rather.
baru gabung. Apa?
Would rather. Dibuat salah satu contohnya.
Dulu, Miss. Aku baru gabung.
Oke, nggak apa-apa.
I would rather.
Contohnya ya, I would rather listen to music than watch music video. Nah, misalnya dia nih, lebih suka dengerin lagu daripada nonton video klip. Kayak gitu. Atau enggak, she would rather read a comic than sing a song. Kayak gitu. Dia lebih milih baca komik daripada nyanyi. Ini rumus pertama, berarti would rather bisa langsung sama verb. Nah, tapi kalau menggunakan perbandingan ada kata than-nya. Kelihatan kan di sini? Would rather ketemu than, would rather ketemu than. Kalau sendiri cuma satu kata kerja aja tanpa perbandingan, berarti would rather aja, langsung ketemu verb satu. Next.
I would I would rather basketball than a football.
Oke. boleh ditaruh verbnya ya. I would rather play
Oh
basketball.
iya.
Oke. Coba diulang lagi.
I would rather watching basketball than watching football.
Nah, di sini karena ada kata would ini tuh modal ya di bahasa Inggris. Nah, modal
Modal.
ketemu verb 1.
Oh, nggak pakai in ya?
Boleh diulang lagi?
Oh, jadi watch aja.
Oke, good. I would
I would rather watch basketball than watch football.
Okay, perfect. Next, we
Thank
go to would prefer rather than. Ada prefernya. Formula pertama, would prefer ketemu to infinitive, ketemu rather than, ketemu lagi bare infinitive. Nah, tadi kan kalau yang ini dan sama rather-nya kepisah sama verb ya. Ya kan? Yang di sini. Kalau di sini nyatu dia. Misalnya, I would prefer sing rather than dance. Oke, I would prefer sing rather than dance. Aku lebih milih nyanyi daripada menari. Contoh yang kedua, would prefer to infinitive plus noun. Nah, yang beda kan? Yang atas cuman verb-nya doang, ya Kak? Nyanyi, nari doang. Nah, di bawah ada misalnya sleep, ada keterangannya tidur setiap hari, ada belajar matematika, kayak gitu. Misalnya, yang ini, she'd prefer to sleep all day rather than study math. Terus ada juga, I would prefer to live in Indonesia rather than North Korea. Atau, I would rather eat fish. Sorry, I would rather eat fish. I would prefer eat fish rather than drink coconut water, misalnya. Aku lebih milih makan ikan daripada minum air kelapa. Oke, boleh dibuat contohnya?
Siapa?
Oh, oke. Coba Kak Resti dulu, gantian.
I would prefer to watch a horror movie rather than a romantic movie.
Oke. Next. Coba Dinda.
I would rather, I would prefer sleeping all day long rather than doing a sport activity.
Pakai verb 1 ya, to infinitive. I would. Verb 1, jangan di verb in kan. I would rather.
Ya.
I would rather.
Oh, I would prefer sleep rather than sport activity.
Rather than do sport activity. Iya kan?
Oh iya.
Kurang verbnya.
Rather than do sport activity.
Oke, good. Coba selanjutnya. Cynthia?
I would prefer buy a house rather than buy an apartment.
Oke, lebih milih beli rumah dibandingkan beli apartemen. Good. Coba next, Gaby. Would prefer rather than?
I would prefer drink coffee rather than drink milk.
Okay, good. Next, Dini.
I would prefer to watch movie rather than read book.
Oke, good. Coba, Kak Kohar.
I would prefer go to beach rather than go to the mountain.
Oke, go to the mountains. Oke, good. Ada pertanyaan would rather sama would prefer rather than? Nggak ada?
Baru masuk
Miss,
Miss.
Iya,
Would
ya.
rather apa
saya
ya?
mau tanya.
Iya.
Kalau misalkan susunannya nggak pakai would, misalkan kayak langsung ngomongnya I prefer, itu boleh nggak sih?
Bisa sebenarnya. I prefer misalnya coffee to tea bisa. Tapi kita di sini tuh pakai formula yang lengkap kayak gitu.
Oh iya, iya.
Formal dan lengkap. Itu aja
Oke,
sih.
oke.
Banyak kan? I prefer misalnya book I prefer book to coffee misalnya ya, bisa.
Iya.
Yang nomor
Oke.
1 itu tadi apa Miss? Baru join soalnya.
Oke. Nah, nggak apa-apa diulang. Preferences ini kan ungkapan terhadap pilihan atau pendapat yang kita sukai dibanding yang lain. Misalnya kita lebih suka minum daripada makan, kita lebih suka membaca daripada menonton misalnya. Nah, banyak caranya, Pak. Bisa pakai would rather, bisa pakai would prefer, bla bla bla, rather than, bla bla bla. Nah, sama posisinya, cuman beda rumus aja. Jadi, kalau misalnya teman-teman speaking di IELTS misalnya ya, ini tuh menambah poin. Semakin banyak rumus yang teman-teman gunakan, menyatakan bahwa range of grammar and structure-nya teman-teman tuh meningkat. Kalau misalnya di tulisan juga begitu. Jadi ini untuk memperkaya aja sih. Sebenarnya kita mau pelajarin satu juga nggak apa-apa. Kayak gitu. Jadi misalnya kayak di Indonesia nih, nggak aku suka ini dibanding ini. Itu aja nih bahasanya. Tapi kan kita bisa menggunakan, kalau disuruh memilih, saya lebih suka ini sama ini. Nah, bisa juga kita ngomong, saya lebih tertarik ini daripada ini. Kayak gitu. Cuman beda bentuknya aja. Sama intinya. Oke?
Oke.
Nah, sekarang kita masuk. Nah, ini ditanyakan tadi ya sama Cynthia. Ini yang ada prefer aja. Nah, sekarang ke had better dulu. Had better. Had better ketemu bare infinitives. Bare infinitives itu verb yang belum diapa-apain. Belum tambah es, belum tambah s, belum ketemu verb ing, kayak gitu. Pokoknya bentuk yang dasar banget. Misalnya, you had better study Dutch regularly. Nah, had better ini tuh nggak pakai perbandingan. Dia lebih ke pernyataan yang bilang, kamu sebaiknya gini deh, kayak gitu. Nah, kalau yang atas, yang dua tadi, would prefer bla 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 rather than sama would rather, itu tuh lebih membandingkan dua hal. Kalau had better, dia tuh ngomongnya, coba sebaiknya lebih baik begini, kayak gitu. Misalnya, kamu tuh lebih baik belajar bahasa Belanda teratur. Atau, had better not bare infinitives. Kamu lebih baik enggak. Kayak gitu. Misalnya, you had better not to go to the mall. You had better not go to the mall. Kayak gitu. Atau, you had better not spend your time at your room. Misalnya, kamu sebaiknya jangan menghabiskan waktu kamu di kamar. Coba, yang had better. Dini?
You had better stay home today.
You better stay at ya.
You had
Stay
better
at home. Stay at home.
Stay at home today.
Okay, pretty good. Next, coba Cynthia.
You had better wear long dress and wear mask if sorry. You had better wear long pakaian tertutup apa ya Mas?
Long sleeve cloth.
Long sleeve cloth and wear a mask if you go out now. If you go out today.
Oke. Ini gimana dibacanya tadi?
You had better wear long sleeve
Oke.
clothes and wear wear a mask.
Wear mask. Oke, good. Coba Dinda.
I had better practice speaking English every day, so I can improve my skill.
Oke, so you could improve your English skill. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Next, Gaby, please.
She had better take the umbrella with her today.
Okay, she better take umbrella with
her today. With her today.
her.
Her.
Coba her.
Her.
Okay, with her.
With
Apa?
her today.
T-nya jangan berhenti with, ada kayak H-nya. With her today.
With her today.
Okay, pretty good. Next, Kak Kohar.
We had better to play game together to win this game.
Okay, we had better, nggak usah ada tuhnya. We had better play.
We had better play this game together to win this game gitu.
Oke.
Panjang ya.
Oke, coba. Ini kan, we had better play a game to win.
Oh.
To win apa ya?
To win itu aja ya. Oh, competition.
Iya, competition aja ya. We had better play a game to win a competition.
Ya.
Oke, misalnya diganti this juga nggak apa-apa. We had better play a game to win this competition. Nah, yang ini juga bisa sebenarnya gini. We had better play a game in order to win this competition. Nah, in order to sama sih dengan to, tapi misalnya mungkin lebih pingin agak panjang kalimatnya, bisa pakai in order to. Untuk memenangkan pertandingan, kan? Bisa juga, we had better play a game so that we can win this competition. Nah, kita lebih baik memainkan permainan sehingga kita bisa memenangkan kompetisi. Nah, kalau ini
in order itu artinya
untuk in order to sama to aja tuh sama.
Oh, ya.
In order to sama. Kalau misalnya pakai Grammarly dicek, ini sama artinya, bahkan kita disarankan misalnya untuk tulisan ya, dipergiin aja soalnya kehitung pemborosan kayak gitu. Soalnya pakai to aja udah sama artinya dengan dihilangkan in order to. Tapi karena kita ingin memperkaya cara kita bicara, ini juga bisa in order to.
Oke.
Oke, yang belum siapa? Sorry. Kak Resti ya?
Oh, yang yes.
Yeah, please make a sentence.
Yang simple aja. You had better eat on time.
You had better eat on time.
Simple aja.
Okay, it's okay. At least you practice. Ini yang paling penting di bahasa Inggris, practice.
Ah,
Terus
ya.
kalau takut salah jangan ya. Jangan takut salah. Nanti kalau salah kan kita benerin kayak gini, kita nulis lagi di awal. Jadi yang lain bisa ngelihat kalimatnya. Oke, teman-teman mau ditulisin gini nggak kalimatnya? Misalnya ada yang nggak paham, tapi kalau udah paham nggak apa-apa sih, nggak usah ditulis. Jadi nanti kalau yang sulit aja kali ya.
Ya, bisa.
Oke. Nah, yang keempat ada prefer. Boleh, oke, sorry, saya belum jelasin. Prefer ketemu sama to infinitive. Misalnya, I prefer to live in village than in a city. Saya lebih milih untuk tinggal nih di desa daripada di kota. Atau enggak kayak tadi, I prefer to stay at home, kayak gitu. Atau enggak, I prefer read this book, kayak gitu, bisa. Kalau
Itu
prefer, oke, to di sini untuk tinggal di sini, kayak gitu. Bisa ada, bisa enggak. Langsung ketemu verb 1 juga nggak apa-apa. Kan di sini aku lebih milih untuk tinggal. Oke, prefer ketemu noun, ketemu to, ketemu noun lagi. My brother prefer. Nah, ini pakai s ya. Kan laki-laki. Sorry, kan kehitung singular kan? She, he, it, satu orang, verbnya ditambahkan s atau es. My brother prefers football to tennis. Nah, kalau prefer di sini pakai to. Kalau yang di atas tadi rather ketemu than ya. Oke, my brother prefers football to tennis. Nah, bisa juga nih. Kalau tadi bandingkan noun dengan noun, kita bisa bandingkan verb ing atau jiran dengan jiran. Misalnya, Ryan prefers walking to riding a car. Kayak gitu. Bisa dicontohkan? Cynthia?
My mother prefers to buy fresh product in supermarket to buy in traditional market.
Sorry, boleh diulang tadi saya lagi ini.
My mother prefers to buy fresh product in supermarket to buy in traditional market.
Oke. Lebih milih belanja di satu tempat daripada tempat yang lainnya. Great.
Yeah.
Coba, Kak Resti.
Yes. I prefer to study maths than kimia apa Miss? Chemistry ya?
Ya, chemistry.
Chemistry ya. I prefer to study maths than chemistry.
Oke. Coba, Dinda. Dinda ada? Oke, keluar. Boleh, Gaby?
The children prefers to watch cartoon than watch action movie.
Oke, great, children. Oke, please choose your friend.
Miss, yang benar kartun atau cartoon? Cartoon.
Cartoon?
How to say cartoon, Miss?
Iya,
How to say it? Cartoon.
cartoon. Cartoon.
Yes.
Sorry, cartoon. The T
Cartoon.
is like Cartoon. Right.
The
Cartoon.
children prefer watch cartoon.
Yeah, prefer watch cartoon to action movie.
Action movie.
Cartoon. Cartoon. It's okay.
Cartoon.
Cartoon. Agak lebay lidahnya sedikit ya. Namanya juga beda bahasa. Oke, next. Coba yang belum. Kak Dini.
My sister prefers swimming to running sports.
Apa? Sorry?
My sister prefers swimming to running sports.
Oke, great. Next. Yang belum siapa di sini? Cynthia? Sudah?
Saya belum, Miss.
Oke, sorry. Kak Kohar, boleh. Prefer.
I prefer to do gitu boleh nggak, Miss?
Boleh, boleh. I prefer to do.
To do football dan
Oh, play.
tenis.
To play football.
Ya. I prefer to play football dan play tenis.
Oke, dan play tennis. Bisa.
Tenis.
Coba pakai verb ing-nya. I prefer.
I prefer playing football to playing tennis.
Oke. Oke, great. Yang belum siapa di sini? Sudah semua? Yang prefer? Nah, the last one. Kita bisa ngomong like. Misalnya like ketemu noun atau verb ing plus better than plus noun verb ing. Misalnya, I like swimming better than jogging. Saya lebih suka berenang daripada jogging. Atau, I like apples better than bananas. Atau juga, I like me better when I'm with you than alone. Aku lebih suka bareng sama kamu daripada sendiri. Oke, coba. Gaby? Make a sentence, please.
I like stay at home better than go fishing.
Oke. Ini verbnya dijadiin verb ing ya, kalau pakai di better ini.
Oh iya. I like staying at home better than fishing.
Oke. Coba, Cynthia.
I like honey better than sugar because it's healthier.
Oke, because it's healthier. Lebih sehat. Great. Coba, Kak Kohar.
I like to riding better than walking.
Oke, coba ulang lagi. I like
riding a
Oke.
bicycle than walking.
riding. Oke, riding. I like riding a bicycle rather than walking. Great. Coba, Dini.
I like watching at handphone while lying down better than watching at laptop.
Sorry, can you repeat? Your
I
studying?
like I like watching at handphone while lying down better than watching at laptop.
Can you please
Watching.
write it on the chat? Please. I think I have problem with my ear. I'm so sorry. Okay. While we wait for Dini, please, Kak Resti, make a sentence.
I like watching movie better than reading a book.
Okay. Same, me too. I like watching movie better than reading a book. Okay, Dini udah nyatet di chat? Okay, it's okay. Take your time. So, nah, karena ini speaking, jadi kan tadi udah yang singkat-singkat nih. Saya pingin teman-teman make these preferences as well as your reason. Okay, thank you. At handphone. Okay. Here. I like watching at handphone while lie down better than watching at laptop. Okay. Nah, watching at handphone. On ya. On. Oke, karena layar berarti pakai on. Oke? On laptop. Watching on laptop. Okay, great everyone, great job. Nah, nanti bakal saya buat ya, ini jadi PDF biar lebih rapi. Kemungkinan besok saya uploadnya. Termasuk pertemuan yang kemarin juga, pokoknya yang masih Word nanti saya ganti ke PDF. Okay, please make a statement or a sentence and give your reason why you prefer something to the other one. So please, the first one, Dini. Buat contoh, misalnya pakai perbandingan. Saya lebih suka ini dibanding ini. Terus kenapa? Kasih alasannya kayak gitu.
Bebas itu dari 1 sampai 5 penggunaan.
Bebas. It's up to you.
Oh,
Which one do you want?
Okay. I would either read comic books than read novel book because the moment read comic book I can imagination for painting or drawing about cartoon.
Oke. I can imagine ya. Aku bisa membayangkan kan? Berarti butuhnya verb bukan noun. Ingat kalau modal ketemu verb dulu baru noun. Boleh diulang?
I would rather comic book than read novel book because I can imagine about story and I can drawing for me.
Oke, I can draw. Draw yang gambar ya?
Iya, gambar kartun
Oke.
saya aja gitu.
Oke. Menggambar
kartun buat happy.
Oke. I draw. Misalnya I draw cartoon by myself. Gambar sendiri kan?
Yes.
And form. Oke. Bisa gini. I can imagine the story And I can draw cartoon by myself. Nah, karena ini sama can, jadi tinggal gini, misalnya because I can imagine the story and, nah karena ada I can berarti dihapus saja. And I can imagine the story. Kan yang pertama bisa membayangkan story-nya. Yang pertama. Yang kedua bisa menggambar kartun kayak gitu. By myself kayak gitu. Okay. Great. Please next Kak Cynthia.
I prefer to go to somewhere with Gojek. Gojek online ojek itu apa ya, Miss ya?
Apa ya? Public transport bisa. Tapi spesifiknya by apa ya, ojek online? Bentar,
Gojek dulu aja ya.
Iya.
Soalnya mau dibandingin sama public transport.
Online
Kayak
transportation.
Online transportation, oh ya. I prefer go to somewhere with online transportation to go to with public transportation because it's more, I can get somewhere faster and then and it's safer from now.
Okay.
For now.
Can you please repeat that sentence?
Okay.
Okay. Drink a cup of water, please.
Okay. Yeah, I prefer